Alright, now let's catch the next bug, which is HTML injection reflected current URL. So just click on this and this will bring us to that page, and this actually shows your current URL based on the URL that you pass here. Let's pass something to see if this works. I pass just JavaScript with the script of alert and the text of layer. So this is not working. This is URL encoded. It displays that on URL encoded form. So uh, this is not working. So for this we will be using the bWAPP suite, which is one of the top 10 tool for pen testers. So if you don't have, just go ahead and search for bWAPP suite download based on your operating system. And now we are using the community version. So let's wait for this to. So what we will be doing is that we will be sending requests to this, but as you can see they are encoding the data that we pass here. So we need to do something that it should not encode that data. So we will be using bWAPP suite for that, which will help us intercept the request and then forward that. When we make changes, we will forward that to the browser again. So it is loading now, and you may already know that the source code for this is available. So if you want to explore the source code of this file, you can check the html_current_uri.php and to see what's going on behind the scene. So now it is bWAPP suite is started. So let's go to the proxy tab, and here we need to open up the built-in browser of the bWAPP suite. We can use our proxy as well, but this is the easiest way to start with this. Now enable to start. It's okay. Now we got the bWAPP suite browser, so let's visit that URL, copy this URL, and let's paste it in the bWAPP suite browser. Now we need to log in here, so let's just log in with the default credential bWAPP. Now let's go to that HTML injection URL based page. Now let's intercept this. So intercept is up, let's click on it. Now it is on. So if I refresh here, now we intercept that request. So any change we make here will, and then we forward it, so it will redirect us to again to this page. So let's do some research with this. So let's send this to repeater, control R, or send this to repeater. Now the repeater tab is highlighting, so let's go there. Now here we got that request information. Now here is the URL html_current_uri.php. We are using HTTP version 1.1. So let's as we passed the data right here alert with something, let's pass it here. So let's say let's pass h1. So h1, and let's say hacked, and close h1 and click on this, so it will send the request. Now we got 200 response, which is okay, and let's see if this works or not to see the response. Alright, so here is the response. It says p tag, which is your current URL, and then displays our current URL, and then as you can see it shows us the h1 tag as it is, so we can use this. So let's just copy this and let's go back to proxy, and here we need to pass that. So if I paste this, now we need to forward this, so we will go back to again to our browser, the built-in bWAPP suite browser. If I forward this and go back to the bWAPP suite browser, as you can see the h1 tag is now displayed here. So we injected our HTML into this page using bWAPP suite, which we intercept the request, and then we again make changes and forward it again to the server. So that's how we can inject HTML using the URL based